Hello. Welcome to the next day of our Vlogmas with our calendar run openings. Would you like to go first, Abel?
Yes, we're running a bit late with this one. Let's get this one started.
Yes.
We've got the Super Mario one. We are looking for day 6, 7, 6.
Yes.
Oh, there it is there. Oh, it's a gold one. There we are, a little gold bullet bill.
So we'll insert a picture at the bottom so you can see it. Done? Cool. So next we have the Funko one, the Disney Funkos. So on day 6 of this one, which is here. Here we go, let's see what we get in this one. I'm going to open. Sorry about the lighting, it's not great in this hotel room. Oh, we get a little Pluto with the Santa letter. Again, insert a picture so you can see it just below.
I've got the Disney Advent Calendar and Game.
Yep.
Number 6. Top corner. Well, you can see it on camera.
No, that's fine.
We have a little bell from Beauty and the Beast.
Cute.
With the usual 2 more pieces of the jigsaw which make up the game board at the end.
Yeah, again, we'll insert a picture so you see them all close up. Finally, I have the rubber duckies. Which again, let's try and find number 6. It's really difficult trying to find this upside down. Here it is. Oh, a little snowman one with a hat. There we go, little snowman, rubber ducky with a hat. There we go, that's it. If you want to see more, please follow along.